Aw, hey there guys, welcome back to Tiny Cabin Chronicles. In today's video, we're going to catch up on a few chores around camp, prep a couple trees for platform bird feeders I built this week.
Oh, that was my thumb.
Yep, my thumb still hurts. Go on a trail cam trek where Dottie falls through the ice and scares the crap out of me. Share some really cool wildlife footage we captured. And bacon wrapped meatloaf is what's for dinner. Of course, first thing on the agenda, get the tiny cabin warmed up.
There's been a sharp-shinned hawk around here. The feeders are really close to the deck. Wondering if a sharp-shinned hawk got them. And I thought it was a pine siskin, but it's not. It's a female purple finch, which we have a lot of those around. Not much went to waste. 4 degrees outside. It just reads low inside. The weather's gonna be, it's supposed to dip down to like -15 tonight. We have pretty light winds, like gust of 10 miles an hour out of the west. So should be a good night at camp. These 602 Yodels are such good stoves. I can't imagine how many have been sold, but I'm glad I got one. This is a great stove for this small little cabin. Okay, 48 in here, 11 o'clock, 9 degrees outside. What do you think Dottie found? Oh, the wrapper for the suet feeders. She knows she's not supposed to have that. Let's see what she does. I'm gonna look for the other one. The stove's going good.
I've wanted to build a couple platform bird feeders for a while now, and I just so happened to be at a service call at my local YMCA and noticed a pile of scrap cedar boards ready to be thrown out. I asked if I could take them, and they said if you don't, the garbage man will. Since this was scrap wood, I wasn't sure what size the feeders were going to be. I just found the smallest piece in the bunch, and then cut all the lumber to match. This turned out to be about 24 by 24 inches. I knew that I wanted the feeders to have a removable tray for easy cleaning and feeding. I had a couple spots picked out that had some dead balsams that needed to go. This was going to be the base of my feeders.
This is in hopes to keep the squirrels out of platform feeders. I hope it works, but time will tell. Oh, that was my thumb. Ow.
This balsam is still in pretty good shape, so the bottom half I think I'll keep for projects around camp. The top half, it's going to get run through the fire pit. With a little luck, we can attract a few new birds to camp with these platform feeders installed. Sure would be nice to see a few cardinals flying around. Out of curiosity, what birds do you guys have at your house? It certainly didn't take long for the pine siskins and goldfinches to find the feeders. With this great day almost in the books, it's time to make dinner. And from what I can tell, meatloaf has been around a long, long time. No right way to make it, no wrong way to make it. Just open the fridge and start adding a little of this and a little of that. Mine has cheese, onions, eggs, ketchup, salt, pepper, oyster crackers, and I wrapped it in bacon. So even if I screw this recipe up, it's still going to taste good. Coals are ready and the kettle is hot. It's time to introduce meat to heat. A couple hours later, and you got yourself into a serious situation. And of course we pay the bird dog fees.
Good morning. -8.5 outside. Got a little chilly last night, but we stayed warm. 49 inside. So that was a little nerve-wracking. I had to go in and get her. I lost the snowshoe. I didn't get wet, but the dog's wet, so I don't know if you can see it, but there's a beaver dam right there. She went right through. There's. We better get to that camera and get the heck out of here. That was my fault. I should have checked it before I let her out there. That was my fault, Dottie. Come on, let's stay in the woods. You're a bird dog, not a beaver dog. You scared, Dad? You know that? Jeez. What a beautiful place. Definitely don't want to be down on that beaver pond with snowshoes on. It's always fun anticipating these checks. Okay, cool. Already, guys, I see where something's been out in the snow. Right there, it looks like probably an otter. My camera is right there. So hopefully we got that on film. It looks like a bobcat or something. Some old bobcat tracks right here too, that walk right over the dams. The walkout should be easier than the walk in. I got a trail broke already. It was a good check. I don't think we got many wolves. We got one wolf on there, and it seen the camera. It was at night, so we'll see. I'll take a better look when we get back, but we got to get out of here. We got about a mile and a half to go. About the check. We got bobcats, otters, raccoons. So awesome check. Battery is full. I have another tactic cam I'm going to put out up here just to try to get some more wolves on footage back here. And okay, cool. That's the report, but I'll turn you around here. And you can see it's going to be a lot better walking out than it was in. So trail's broke. Let's get back to the hoopty. The old girl's still hunting. She was pretty wet. Maybe she's got more grit than I thought she did. She's pretty soft dog. Good hunter, but she's soft, so, but maybe I'm wrong. She's not quite 2 yet. She'll be 2 in June, so maybe she just needs a little bit more maturing, eh?